you are a software developer but you don't feel confident about yourself, but here is a quick hack that I have, and this is what I have experienced like myself in my real life. So what happens that you ask AI to write your code, right? So it just writes the code. But if someone asks, or in future if you give some interviews, right, so you sometimes fumble or you don't understand, or sometimes you feel not that much confident, right? So what is the thing right now? You, in your current job, in your current project, what you do, that you give your prompt to AI, it writes code, but still along with that do some extra exercises or just try to do some research on the internet, right? So here is an example. What happens that I'm a data engineer right now. So what happens that I give a prompt to AI that my code is in this S3 bucket or in this database table, and I want a PySpark script somehow. Okay, take an example that it is a PySpark I'm writing right now. So it is a PySpark script, and write a code that it will fetch the data and just do this transformation, and just will execute it. It will be an ETL pipeline basically. But what we do, we get the Spark code, that is spark.read and whatever CSV or JDBC, right? But we don't understand it deeply. So if someone asks me, right, so what is this meaning of this, or if my manager or if my boss asks me, then I'll be a little bit conscious about that, right? So I just went to the Google and searched spark.read. So I just found that it is a Spark data frame reader API or a class that is there, just like Spark session. And when you create spark.read, then it creates an object or an instant of this class, that is the data frame reader API. And then you have several methods inside that, like the dot format to just specify if you have a CSV file, or if you have a JDBC URL properties you can use to fetch some data from a database, right? So those things you can write. But here's the thing, why I'm so much confident, because if you look at my thing, I did some like 15 minutes reading on the Google other than just AI assisted coding, right? So this change gave me a huge confidence boost. So that is what I wanted to just share with you. And along with that, currently I am doing some really going into deep into just data extraction, because step by step I can move forward. But if I do everything together, I can't move forward. That's what I have learned the hard way. But let's see how it happens next time.